What's up, Hive? We're at the NASA Goddard Space Flight Visiting Center. And so I'm actually just gonna give y'all a quick little tour while I'm here. All right, so starting off, we gotta start with the tourist items. So you got the put your face behind the astronaut. Over here is kind of like their, so let me explain. NASA has 4 divisions: planetary science, astrophysics, heliophysics, and earth science. So this is their astrophysics side. So that's cool things you can learn about. And I will say, it didn't used to look like this. I don't know when, but maybe like 10 years ago, this was a lot different. They had different things up here. So this is all new. There's some cool galaxies they got up there. The rest of this visiting center. So right here, this is kind of for James Webb Space Telescope. That was the telescope that was launched like maybe 2 years ago, but that's the one that's been giving us the really good space photos. And I've done a video on James Webb. I'm probably gonna do another video soon, giving y'all an update. So next, here's some of the engineering aspect that they got to see. Alright, so next we're going to go to the earth science section that they got. Got a cool globe. They also got some like stuff you can interact with. So right here is kind of cool. They have different, they have the electromagnetic spectrum, and they show how using different portions of it, you can explore different parts of the earth. So we got the planetary science division. So this one's really cool because it's also interactive. You could touch some of the rocks that they have. Some of the rocks are presumed to be from Mars, but others are rocks from the moon. So I missed this part on the earth science, but it's gonna be a good transition from, planets to Earth, right? And then how the sun connects. And now we're gonna go to the heliophysics part. So we do have a little section on the eclipse. That's pretty recent because we had one in January. I think it was January. So here's what they got over here. Shows what the plasma looks like. That is the sun's chromosphere. That's kind of, the sun has different layers. I'm gonna make a video on that soon. That's kind of, you can see again. I recently did some research on the corona. So that's that glow that you see. And you can see the corona when you have like something blocking the rest of the sun. So that would be the corona, and that would be the sun, right? And that's what you kind of see during the eclipse. So if I go back to that video, if I go back to that picture right here, that's the eclipse at full, that's the full eclipse. And the moon is blocking the sun. That outside part is the corona. But they go in depth about, what the sun is. different things. They have this one spot to explain how sunspots work with a magnet and iron to kind of show how that's where a lot of the magnetic field energy is going, or activity. And last we're going to end with arcade at the visiting center.